Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to turn on Energy Saver on your laptop. So to do it, open the Start menu, go to Settings, then select System, and then go to Power and Battery section, and then go into Energy Saver tab, expand it, and to manually enable it, switch this toggle to the left. You can also make it enable automatically by selecting the level of your battery at which you want the power saving mode to turn on, and you can also decide if you want to lower screen brightness of your laptop once Energy Saver is on by switching this toggle. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.